There are many reasons as to why your iPhone won't connect to a Wi-Fi network. The underlying cause can be software related or due to a damaged network component. In this video, I will be showing you what to do if your iPhone won't connect to your Wi-Fi network. First solution: force restart your iPhone. If your device was able to connect to the same network and then this problem occurred without apparent reason, then it's probably just a minor issue involving the firmware. You should try doing the forced reboot first to refresh your iPhone's memory and reload its services. Quickly press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button. Press and hold the side key or the power key for 20 seconds or until the iPhone turns off and boots up. When you see the Apple logo release the power key, your iPhone will continue the boot process. Once ready, try to see if the problem is fixed. Second solution: forget network connection. Corrupt Wi-Fi networks can also be the cause of this problem. To make sure that this isn't causing you trouble connecting to the network, forget or delete the current network from your iPhone. Launch Settings and then tap Wi-Fi. Tap on the information symbol next to the name of the network. Touch Forget this network. And tap Forget to confirm. Once the connection is deleted, try to reconnect to it. If your iPhone is still not able to connect, move to the next solution. Third solution: reset network settings. This reset clears out all your current network configurations, including saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, APNs, and server settings, and other relevant information. Any error attributed to invalid or incorrect network configurations will also be eliminated in the process. From the home screen, tap Settings. General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Fourth solution: factory reset your iPhone. If your iPhone is still not connecting to the network, then a factory reset is necessary. Create a backup of your important files and then follow these steps to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Touch Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone once again to confirm. As long as the problem isn't with your network device and that your iPhone doesn't have any signs of physical damage, or reset will be able to fix this problem. I hope that we've been able to help you one way or another. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with the Droid Guy. Thanks for watching.